Stop right there. If you're about to pick a Barndominium size based on what sounds good, you could be making a massive mistake that costs you tens of thousands of dollars. Here's something wild that most people don't know. The most popular size isn't actually the cheapest per square foot, and the smallest size can sometimes cost you more per square foot than going bigger. I know that sounds backwards, but stick with me because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the top 5 most popular Barndominium sizes for 2026, the real cost for each one, and the one size that builders call the gold standard that could save you a fortune. If you're serious about building a Barndominium this year, do not make a single decision until you watch this entire video. But before we dive in, I want to give a huge shout out to our newest channel members, Sarah T, Mike R, and the whole crew who joined us this week. You guys are incredible, and your support helps us bring you this honest, no BS content every single week. If you want to support the channel and get early access to videos like this, click that join button below. And hey, if you're just discovering us, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we drop real, researched Barndominium content that could literally save you $50,000 or more on your build. All right, let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 most requested Barndominium sizes for 2026 based on real search data, builder feedback, and what people are actually constructing right now. But here's the twist. I'm going to start at number 5 and work my way up to the number 1 most popular size. And I'm going to explain why each size works, who it's perfect for, and the honest cost breakdowns you need to know. Because here's the deal, bigger doesn't always mean more expensive per square foot. And sometimes the mid-size options are actually the smartest financial move. So whether you're planning to build this year or just exploring your options, pay close attention because the information in this video could completely change your approach. Number 5, the LiveWork Hybrid 60 by 60 at 3,600 square feet. Coming in at number 5 is what builders are calling the LiveWork Hybrid, the 60 by 60 Barndominium at 3,600 square feet. This is the Barndo Mansion entry level, and it's exploding in popularity for one specific reason. People want half of it to be a massive workshop or garage. When someone searches for a 60 by 60 Barndominium, they're almost never looking for just a big house. They want space for cars, boats, RVs, or a legitimate home business. We're talking about true dual-purpose living here. Picture this, 1,800 square feet of beautiful living space with 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, and then another 1,800 square feet of climate-control workshop or garage space where you can park multiple vehicles, run a woodworking business, or store your entire toy collection. The estimated total cost for a 60 by 60 ranges from $414,000 to $558,000 turnkey. That breaks down to about $115 to $155 per square foot, which is actually very competitive when you consider you're getting both a luxury home and a professional-grade workspace under one roof. Compare that to building a 1,800 square foot house separately plus a 1,800 square foot shop, and are easily looking at $550,000 to $750,000 or more. The 60 by 60 works best for serious hobbyists, small business owners, collectors with multiple vehicles, or anyone who needs legitimate commercial-grade space attached to their home. The ClearSpan design means you've got 0 support columns in that 3,600 square feet, so you can configure it however you want. This size is particularly popular in Texas, the Midwest, and rural areas where land is affordable and people have the room to go big. Number 4, the Luxury Estate, 40 by 75 at 3,000 square feet. And number 4, we have what viewers searching for high-end content dream about. The Luxury Estate size at 40 by 75, giving you 3,000 square feet. This is where Barndominiums start feeling less like alternative housing and more like premium custom homes. The 40 by 75 footprint is the sweet spot for luxury features. We're talking wraparound porches, double-height ceilings in the great room, dedicated home offices, walk-in pantries, mudrooms, and still having room left over without the space feeling cramped. This size typically accommodates 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and all the extras that make a house feel like a true estate. The estimated total cost ranges from $345,000 to $465,000 turnkey, which works out to $115 to $155 per square foot. Now I know that sounds like a lot of money, but here's the perspective you need. A traditional 3,000 square foot custom home in most markets runs $450,000 to $750,000 or more. You're saving anywhere from $100,000 to $300,000 by going the Barndominium route, and you're getting features like vaulted ceilings and open concept layouts that would cost a fortune in stick-built construction. This size is perfect for growing families, people who work from home and need dedicated office space, empty nesters who want room for grandkids to visit, or anyone who wants that luxury feel without the luxury price tag. The 40 by 75 gives you enough space to have formal and informal living areas, a real master suite with spa-like bathrooms, and room for hobbies or entertainment spaces like a home gym or media room. Number 3, the family favorite, 40 by 50 at 2,000 square feet. Coming in at number 3 is what builders call the family favorite, the 40 by 50 at 2,000 square feet. This is the most common move-up size for growing families, and there's a specific reason it's so popular. It's a perfect square footprint. That square shape at 40 times 50 is incredibly cost-effective for foundations and roofing. There are fewer angles, less material waste, and simpler construction, which translates directly into money saved. This size typically features what's called the split bedroom layout, where the master suite is on the opposite side of the house from the kids' rooms. Parents love this for privacy, and it's one of the most requested floor plan designs in 2026. The estimated total cost for a 40 by 50 ranges from $230,000 to $310,000 turnkey, working out to $115 to $155 per square foot. You're getting 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, and plenty of room for an open concept great room, modern kitchen, and even a small office or flex space. What makes the 40 by 50 so appealing is that it's right in that sweet spot where you're not sacrificing space, but you're also not paying for square footage you don't actually use. At 2,000 square feet, you've got enough room for a family of 4 to 6 people to live comfortably without feeling cramped, but you're not heating, cooling, and maintaining a massive house. This size works beautifully for first-time Barndominium builders who want to test the waters without going all in on a huge build. It's also popular with families who have 2 to 3 kids and want dedicated bedrooms for everyone, plus guest space. The square footprint means your roof is simpler, which reduces both initial costs and long-term maintenance. Number 2, the budget starter, 30 by 40 at 1,200 square feet. And number 2, we have the budget starter, the 30 by 40 at 1,200 square feet. This is the most popular choice for what people are calling the small barndo movement, and it's absolutely dominating the cash build market. Here's why the 30 times 40 is so huge right now. It's the perfect size for people who want to build without complex bank financing. At 1,200 square feet, you can realistically save up and build in phases, paying as you go and avoiding massive loans. It's large enough for a comfortable 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom layout, but small enough that the total cost stays manageable. The estimated total cost ranges from $138,000 to $186,000 turnkey, which breaks down to $115 to $155 per square foot. Now here's something interesting. Notice that the per square foot cost is actually similar to, or even higher than some of the bigger sizes. That's because there are fixed costs in construction like permits, foundation work, and utility connections that don't scale down proportionally when you build smaller. But don't let that discourage you from the 30 by 40 if it fits your needs. The total cost is still incredibly affordable, and this size is perfect for couples, retirees downsizing, single professionals, or anyone embracing minimalist living. You can build a beautiful, efficient home with everything you need and nothing you don't. The 30 by 40 typically features an open concept living area that combines kitchen, dining, and living room, 2 bedrooms with good closet space, 2 full bathrooms, and often a small utility room or pantry. Some people even add a loft above part of the structure to gain extra square footage without increasing the footprint. This size is particularly popular for people building on smaller lots, folks in areas with strict size restrictions, or anyone who wants to build debt-free. The construction timeline is quick, often 3 to 4 months from start to finish. And the ongoing costs for heating, cooling, and maintenance are very low. Number 1. The Maximum Efficiency King, 40 by 60 at 2,400 square feet. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The number 1 most requested Barndominium size for 2026 is the Maximum Efficiency King, the 40 by 60 at 2,400 square feet. This isn't just popular, it's the absolute gold standard for steel kit construction. Let me explain why the 40 by 60 dominates everything else. This rectangular shape minimizes material waste and labor costs better than any other size. Steel manufacturers design their kits around the 40 by 60 dimension because it's the most efficient use of materials. You get less scrap, faster assembly, and lower overall cost per square foot than almost any other configuration. The estimated total cost for a 40 by 60 ranges from $276,000 to $372,000 turnkey, which works out to $115 to $155 per square foot. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Even though this is bigger than the 30 by 40 budget starter, it can actually be cheaper per square foot because of how efficiently the materials and labor scale up. At 2,400 square feet, the 40 by 60 gives you incredible flexibility. The most popular layout is splitting it into about 1,600 square feet of living space and 800 square feet of attached shop or garage. That gives you room for 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 bathrooms, a massive open-concept great room, and still have a 2-car garage plus workshop space. But here's the beauty, you don't have to split that way. Some people use the entire 2,400 square feet as living space and create a sprawling single-story home with huge bedrooms, multiple living areas, a home gym, and a media room. Others go even heavier on the shop side, dedicating 1,000 to 1,200 square feet to their business or hobbies. The 40 by 60 works for almost everyone. Young families who want room to grow, hobbyists who need workshop space, small business owners who want to work from home, car enthusiasts who need garage space, or anyone who wants the flexibility to adapt the space as their life changes. Construction time is typically 4 to 6 months from groundbreaking to move in. And because it's such a popular size, you'll have no problem finding contractors who've built this exact footprint dozens of times. That familiarity translates into fewer mistakes, faster builds, and better end results. The secret hook: why bigger can be cheaper. Alright, here's the secret I promised you at the beginning. You notice that the per square foot cost was pretty similar across all 5 sizes, right? That's because of how construction costs work. There are fixed expenses that don't change much whether you build 1,200 square feet or 3,600 square feet. Things like permits, site preparation, utility connections, engineering, and basic foundation work cost roughly the same regardless of size. So when you spread those fixed costs across more square footage, your per square foot number actually goes down. That's why the 40 by 60 at number 1 can sometimes be cheaper per square foot than the 30 by 40 at number 2, even though it's twice the size. But here's the key: you should never build bigger just because the per square foot cost is lower. Build for your actual needs, your budget, and your lifestyle. A 1,200 square foot Barndominium that perfectly fits your life is infinitely better than a 3,600 square foot space that you struggle to maintain and heat. The real secret is understanding that steel kit construction scales incredibly efficiently, especially in that 40 by 60 range. That's why it's the most popular, that's why builders love it, and that's why it's earned the title of Maximum Efficiency King. So there you have it, the top 5 most popular Barnaminium sizes for 2026, from the 60 by 60 live-work hybrid down to the reigning champion 40 by 60 Maximum Efficiency King. Each size has its place, each has its benefits, and the right choice depends entirely on your situation. If you're building for a small business or serious hobbies, the 60 by 60 gives you that commercial-grade space. If you want luxury without the luxury price, the 40 by 75 delivers. For families, the 40 by 50 square footprint is hard to beat. For budget-conscious builders or those going debt-free, the 30 x 40 is perfect. And if you want the best overall value, efficiency, and flexibility, the 40x60 is still the gold standard. Remember, these costs are estimates based on 2026 data, and your actual numbers will vary based on location, finishes, and site conditions. Always get multiple quotes, plan for a 10 to 20% contingency fund, and make sure you're comparing apples to apples when builders give you prices. Before I let you go, I need to ask, which size are you leaning towards? Drop a comment below and let me know. Are you team 30x40 budget starter, or are you going all in on the 60x60 live-work hybrid? I read every single comment, and I love hearing about your plans. If this video helped you understand Barndominium sizing and cost better, do me a favor and smash that like button. It tells YouTube to show this video to more people who need this information. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We're dropping honest, detailed Barndominium content every week that could save you serious money on your build. Thanks for watching. Thanks to our channel members for the support. And I'll see you in the next one, where we're diving deep into Barndominium financing options that most people don't even know exist. You're not going to want to miss that. See you soon.